Are you struggling with Gmail voice calls not working on your PC? Don't worry. We've got you covered with some simple steps to fix this issue after the latest update. First, let's start by refreshing the Gmail web page. Just click on the refresh icon located at the top left corner of your browser. This can often resolve minor glitches with the interface. If that doesn't do the trick, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab, make sure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data. Next, log out of Gmail and log back in. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner and select Sign Out. Once signed out, enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to get back into your account. If you're still having issues, sometimes simply restarting your device can help. Press the Windows icon, choose the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. Another option is to connect to a different network. From the notifications area, click on the network icon and switch to another available network. Before you move on, ensure your internet connection is stable. Again, click on the network icon from the notifications area and check your network status. Finally, confirm that Gmail has permission to access your camera and microphone. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information. Open Site Settings, and ensure the permissions for the camera and microphone are enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the voice call issue on Gmail. Happy calling!